This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by John King. This is the charging station to your iPhone. Welcome to this wonderfully maintained bungalow that only a home of this era could offer such elegant historical character. The owner has lovingly maintained this home and has recently installed a new roof, updated the bathroom, added fresh paint and refinished the original hardwoods throughout. The exterior has cute wonderful curb appeal and will have you envisioning yourself already as the new owner. Don't forget to check out the huge 780 square foot detached garage/workshop. This is great for those looking for a comfortable budget-friendly home. See today. For more information, review the details below.